السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معاكم مستر محمد عبد القادر from Islamic Language School, Science Teacher. Today we are going to talk about the second lesson in the second unit for the third prep year. So today we are going to talk about what is the electric current and the electric cells. طبعا كلنا عارفين ان electric cell can be represented as short and long lines. Short line which has the negative sign and long line has the positive sign. So let's complete our subject. Let's start our lesson about what are the sources of the electric current. We have two types of the sources of electric current, which are electrochemical cells and electric generator. If we think about what is the electrochemical cells, this word starts with electro, that is electric energy, and ends with chemical, that represents chemical energy. So electrochemical cells represents the electric energy, it change into chemical energy. But in the dynamo or electric generator, it is the device that used to change the kinetic energy or mechanical energy into electric energy. So electrochemical cells differ from the generator or electric generator. Now we are going to differentiate between the direct electric current or DC and alternating electric current, which is AC. Let's start to differentiate between them. In this picture we can find that direct electric current, which is present by a straight line parallel to the time axis, can be used in electrochemical cells such as dry cells and batteries. It is constant intensity and unidirectional, so it flows from one positive pole to the negative pole of the cell, while the alternating current is changeable and variable intensity, as in the graph. As we can find this picture, the DC current can be travels through short distances only and can't be transferred into AC current, while the opposite in an alternating current. DC current can be used in the electroplating and other applications. We will see the electroplating after now. Now, let's watch how can the electroplating use the direct current in this application.
12 volts, we're probably going to get some gassing. And we have a gnat who's in our production. And you'll get hydrogen and oxygen gases produced, but it's not harmful, especially if you have a little bit of ventilation. So just for a first test object, one of the easiest things to do is just an iron nail. Copper loves to plate to iron. As a matter of fact, it'll plate to it a bit even without a current. And what we will do is we'll clip that to our negative lead, so this becomes our cathode, and put it in our solution and then just agitate it a bit. You want to keep it moving all the time, because if you don't have your object moving or you don't have your solution agitated, you can wind up with some burn spots. And we are simply, you can actually see the bubbles forming there. Maybe I can swing in and I can get an overhead shot. Hey, the gnat is still in our overhead shot. Hopefully he stays out of the solution. But taking a look here at the nail, you can see the bubbling on our negative electrode. And those are going to be bubbles of hydrogen. And we've got twice as